We cannot attribute statements made by other people to the Vice President just because she was there. Then we have to do it with everyone who is there. Lahat na lang ng present. Sabihin natin, we should attribute that statement. So, mere presence in the rally does not make her actions seditious. That is very clear. You know, yung statement as being the designated survivor, it's not illegal, it's not criminal. In fact, it's a process in the United States. Mere utterance na I'm designating myself. In fact, hindi nga pwede yun eh. Can you designate yourself without a process? Sinabi lang niya yun. Siguro magpapatawa lang siya. And lastly, alam mo yung minsan, nasa Shangri-La ako, nakita ko si Ann Curtis. Ang ganda-ganda pala niya. You know, may desire sa loob ko na nag-init talaga. Na-imagine ko na lang kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pero siyempre, hanggang imagination na lang yon. Pero, di naman siguro ako pwedeng kasuhan dahil kung ano-ano yung na-imagine ko eh. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
The Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair, I would like to have those statements stricken from the record.
Madam Chair,
There is
Happy
nothing
Women's Month.
sexual dun sa sinabi ko. Nothing immoral. It's just, I said, may na-imagine ako. I think there is nothing wrong.
Nevertheless, Madam
Madam
Chair,
Chair.
I want that deleted in the record.
Madam Chair, I move to strike those statements from the record.
Objection, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike out from the record the earlier manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about his imagination upon seeing Ann Curtis. With 13 votes in the affirmative, 2 in the negative, and 2 abstention, the Chair orders that the earlier manifestation of the Honorable Suntay be stricken out from the record. So ordered.
I think we are starting a dangerous precedent because now we are censoring manifestations which is neither illegal or immoral. So imagine we are conducting a hearing, but now statements which are neither immoral or illegal can be stricken out of the record without any reason. I think that's a terrible
Madam
precedent
Madam
that we're
Chair.
starting.
It is just the start of the Women's Month. And I don't think that we should be hearing such comments from our dear colleagues. We are not censuring anything, but we are reminding them that, in fact, we should support women by not saying these statements.
The Chair
Yes.
would like to state that if the manifestation of the Justice member offends the sensitivity of the Justice members, then it means that we are crossing the boundaries already.
Madam Chair.
After all, we rule here by the judgment of the Justice members. So I hope we respect the decision of the majority of the Justice Committee.
Which was offensive? The word desire or the word imagination?
As to whether or not the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay is offensive of our morality is a judgment that belongs exclusively to the Justice members. I think the majority have spoken already.